Hi everybody, my name is Kaye and I'm the host of the ISAPS Fellowship in Plastic and Aesthetic Surgery in Marbella, Spain. We invite you all to apply for this amazing ISAPS teaching program where you're going to have the chance to learn on a day-to-day basis advanced techniques of facial surgery and breast and body contouring surgery with us here in beautiful Marbella, Spain. The fellowships will run for 3 months and you will have the chance to really get an upgrade of your current skills and techniques you're going to need for your life as a young plastic surgeon. So I'm so excited to be part of this amazing teaching program. I would be happy to have you apply on the website for next year, and I'm looking forward to be with you in this beautiful OR every day and to teach you one-to-one all the techniques which will bring you further. Thank you.